Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you said hi to a stranger? Or had a conversation with them? Let them cut you in line? Compliment their outfit? Suppose you knew more than them on a certain topic. Would you say they were dumb? Or would you teach them? If they knew more than you, would you be intimidated? Or ask questions? What if they were wealthy? Would you question their morals? Or just assume they were kind? And if they were homeless, would you judge their position? Or wonder how they got there? With your answers to these questions in mind, would you say it's hard to imagine why 2 out of every 3 people you see on the street feel completely alone? Or why depressive and anxiety disorders are as common as they are? I think it's clear that what we're facing is a social problem, not a medical one. And sometimes it does feel like the human condition is in shambles. But I'll save all of that for a later time. For now, although it may seem a bit random, I do want you to consider this. During the 1960s, Honda Motor Company was facing some real financial trouble. Brewing competition in the Japanese domestic market meant that in order to stay afloat, they needed to expand internationally. Of course, they already knew this. By the latter half of the decade, Soichiro Honda had already led the development of quite a few cars intended for foreign markets. But, unfortunately, they all failed. With no other ideas in mind, the man who, up until this point, had always been directly involved with product development, and generally liked things done his way, knew something had to change. So in 1969, he tasked his colleagues with developing a new product that focused on the needs of the consumer. As it turns out, the car sold in droves, and the company was saved. You know what the funniest thing about it is? They called it the Civic. How fitting is that? I say all this to say that if civic-mindedness saved Honda, then maybe with just a little humanity, it could save us too.